Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about strategy for UPPCS Prelims 2026 because it is going to held on December. It's 6th December. So here approximately 6 months are you can divide on the basis of mains subjects and prelims subjects. So you have maximum days for preparation. First start with subjects. So I have combined here the GS papers target with the prelims subjects targets. So here you can see that GS1 is combined with the subjects involved in GS1 like history, geography, and in GS2 there is polity because it also comes in prelims, and extra topics are governance. Then GS3 economy and environment, and in mains disaster management and science and tech also comes. GS4 talks about ethics, so we'll cover ethics for mains, not for prelims. The next is GS5 and 6. Here questions come from UP special. Then the general Hindi and essay also. So we have to write the essay PYQs daily. This is included in the schedule. We will cover GS1 in 100 days, like ancient and art and culture in 10 days, medieval and art and culture in 10 days, modern and art and culture in 15 days, because in modern there are more topics, and also it's very important subject. Like in world history it's 10 day, Indian history 10 days, physical Indian geography 10 days, physical geography 15 days, human geography 10 days, economic geography 10 days, and world geography 10 days. For polity and GS2 it's 20 days, and for GS3 economy and environment it's 30 days, for GS4 it's 15 days, for GS5 and 6 it's 15 days, and for general Hindi I'm starting from today, like from 1st June to 3rd June, like 3 days. In 3 days, I'll cover general Hindi. So the priority will be given to the general Hindi, that 1, 2 and 3 June को general Hindi cover हो जाएगा. Then the second is the GS4, that is ethics 4 to 18 June. Third is given to the GS1 and history and geography subjects. Then polity, then economy environment, then UP. So the daily schedule and weekly schedule will be that Monday to Saturday we'll have to study from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. till 30 p.m. Prelims content plus CSAT, whatever you want. If you want to read the newspaper, you can cover that. Then 2:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. mains PYQs based practice. That shit. On Sunday it's you can practice questions on the same time that you give exam in real sense. 9:30 to 11:30 am you can give mock and analyze that. Then again repeat the same schedule like weekly basis, that prelims then mains PYQ practice. It's the very concise schedule for targeting PCS prelims of December 2026. You will definitely get benefited from this schedule. You can follow this, and day to day you will get update